Hello students. In this video, we'll understand what are the objectives or the goals or aims of a finance function. Now you have understood what is a finance a function is all about, right? It involves acquiring and utilization of funds. It speaks about the sources from which you are going to raise the funds and how you are able to utilize those funds optimal way, that which is very necessary for the efficient operations. Whereas finance is the lifeblood of business. Without it, things wouldn't run smoothly. And in order to run any the organization, the source is money, right? So that's how things are going to work. And here now we shall understand the main objectives of a finance function. The first point is acquiring sufficient funds. What does acquiring sufficient fund mean? See, the main objective or the goal of finance function is to estimate, is to predict what's the financial needs of the business. What are the financial needs, and the organization need to find out which is the suitable source for raising them. Of course, there are plenty sources available in order to raise the funds, but organization need to study the market and need to look upon its needs, what are its wants and needs, in order to cope up with both short term as well as long term objectives. It needs to find out the suitable source for raising the funds, and if funds are required for the long term investments, then long term sources like the issue of shares, I mean to say the equity shares, preference shares, you have debentures, long term loans, etc. So all these comes under the long term investments, right? It can be preferred if the particular organization is in the requirement of long term investments. It can just go ahead with all these things. All these can be preferred. If funds are required for working capital purposes, then the company need to go for the short term sources, right? Like it can be for the bank credit or the trade credit, which comes within 1 year of time. So it is very important to acquire the sufficient funds which is required to an organization, keeping both the terms, that is both long term as well as short term in mind, and the company has to go ahead with raising the funds. Clear? The next objective or goal of the finance function is proper utilization of funds. What does proper utilization of funds talk about? See, again, this is one of the important objectives which is considered under finance functions. This talks about proper utilization of funds, I mean to say the optimum utilization, best utilization of the funds acquired. In the first objective, we are talking about the procurement or ascertainment of the funds from different sources, where the company need to decide which source it has to undergo, and where it has to, from where or which all the sources from where it can raise its fund. The second objective tells, once you have acquired the funds, once the organization has acquired the funds, the next thing is to make sure that there will be an optimal or the proper utilization of funds that was acquired. So a firm will have like various alternatives in which it can use its funds. See, not all the projects are profitable, right? Because we always the business, it runs on two factors, a risk and a return, and you never know, you're not sure. We have risk and uncertainty as well. Risk is where you know the difference between risk and uncertainty, I guess. Risk is something which is predictable. Example, if I have to give the risk of loss, say for example, you have started your business, and no person is going to start a business with the intention of making lots of profit in the first year itself, because in this prevailing competitive market, you're just keeping the baby steps over there. You need to study the market there. Of course, you need to undergo the loss in the initial year, which is called as initial loss, which is again the risk of loss in the initial year. Uncertainty is something which you can't predict, right? So things are going to happen like that. So always make sure as a company you make a proper utilization of funds. And as I said, not all the profits are profitable. That's the reason why it is told, as an individual or a company need not invest entire amount in one particular project. It's better to go for the alternative, so that you will not end up making losses when it is poured in one particular the investment avenue. Then apart from that, the funds must be used in such a way that it yields the maximum benefit benefit while minimizing the risk. This is like a really very important, where the returns must be more than their expected cost. All right. Yes, the next objective is increasing profitability. See, whatever the type or the nature or size of the business can be, always the basic motto will be to make the profits, right? So here the company aims at increasing the profitability, and that should be the goal or objective of finance function. What does this increasing profitability talk about? Say, to ensure the profitability, a firm has to ensure that funds are available, like whenever the concern needs. Whenever there is a need, the particular firm has to ensure that funds are definitely available in order to meet those criterias. So always it should ensure the profitability. Then one thing is that the acquired funds should be employed in those options which will earn the adequate returns to the concern. It's not like that, say in market, in the prevailing market you will find n number of options where you can invest. It's not that you will have a trial and error with all the things. It's not like that. Always you need to study the market based on the risk and the return. You are going to make the investment where make sure that you will earn adequate returns to the concern. Then apart from that, the finance function must ensure availability of the sufficient funds all the time. Before meeting any kind of obligation, the company need to make sure that it has sufficient funds or the adequate funds in order to fulfill those criteria. And when when the funds are used effectively, it will lead to the increase in profitability. At the end of the day, the basic motto is to increase profit. So if you take care of all these things as an investor, as an industry, you will be able to increase your profits. All right, the last point what you have is maximizing the firm's value. What does this maximizing the firm's value talk about? This is really very important. Listen to this very carefully. See, finance function, it always aims at maximizing the value of the firm. Basically, I'm talking about the goodwill, the net worth of the organization. Generally the value of the firm is determined by its profitability, right? Because profits are the barometer which measures where you stand, what's your position in the prevailing competitive market. And the value of the firm is also influenced by certain factors like sources of funds. You can take care of the cost of capital and the money market conditions and so on, right? So the finance function maximizes the value of the business concern by obtaining the funds from proper sources, whereas it is going to minimize the cost of capital and earning return at a rate that is higher than the cost of capital. So it is very important that finance function, it always aims at maximizing the value of the firm.